Alright, how's everybody doing out there in Math Magic Land? It's Miss Muscarella coming at you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert angles from radians into degrees. Now, to convert from degrees to radians, what you're going to need to do is take your angle, and multiply that by pi over 180. Now, if you're going the other way, from radians to degrees, you would do the reciprocal of pi over 180, and that would be 180 over pi. Now, the reason that you multiply by pi over 180 or 180 over pi, if you think about the unit circle in terms of radians, that's 2 pi would make one full revolution, and in degrees that would be 360 degrees. Now if I reduce that, I'll end up with pi over 180. Now similarly, if I had 180 over pi, if I put the degrees part on top, so 360 over 2 pi, when I'm done reducing that, I would just get 180 over pi. So that's why you use 180 over pi or pi over 180 to do your conversions when you multiply. So now let's go ahead and take a look at 3 quick examples. So here for example number 1, we're going to take our angle 7 pi over 4 and we're going to multiply by 180 over pi. Now of course the first thing you're going to do, pi is going to be gone, so they're going to cancel out. Now 4 and 180, you want to reduce early and often, so I know that 2 goes into each one of these because they are both even, so I would convert that to 2 in the denominator and 90 in the numerator, because 180 divided by 2 is 90. Now both of these in the diagonal, again, 90 and 2 are both even, so if I take out another 2, then 2 goes into 2 once and 2 goes into 90 45 times. So in the numerator I have 45 times 7, so 45 times 7. When I multiply that together, 7 times 5 is 35. Carry the 3, 7 times 4 is 28, and 3 is 315. So I get 315 in the numerator, but the denominator is only 1, so I don't have to worry about that. So that would just be 315 degrees. Alright, so in example 2, when we have 7 pi over 8, again, we're going to multiply by 180 over pi, and pi cancels out, they're both gone, and both 8 and 180 are even, so I'm going to start by dividing by 2, and I end up with 4 and 90. So again, both of those are even, so I can cancel out 90. 90 divided by 2 gives me 45, and 4 divided by 2 gives me 2. I can't do any more simplifying, so I'd do 7 times 45. I'd multiply that again. We already did that, so that's 315, but then in the denominator now I've got 2. So you don't want to leave that as 315 over 2 degrees. You don't want to write it like that. So you would actually divide 315 by 2. And when you do that, you end up with 157.5 degrees. Now go ahead and hit pause, try the last one on your own, and let's see what you get. Alright Rockstar, how'd you do? I'm sure you got 210 degrees, just like that. Alright, so thanks for watching this video. By now, you should understand how to convert each angle from radians into degrees. Thanks for watching, and peace out.